From a traditional constitutional perspective, the defense of a nation's borders against illegal entrants is a fundamental responsibility of the government. The U.S. Constitution, particularly in the preamble and relevant sections, provides a strong foundation for this argument. Firstly, the preamble of the Constitution states that one of its primary purposes is to provide for the common defense. This clause underscores the government's obligation to protect the nation from external threats and maintain national security. The integrity of the nation's borders is inherently tied to its ability to ensure the safety and security of its citizens. Unauthorized entry by individuals who bypass established legal procedures poses potential risks, including threats to public safety, economic stability, and national sovereignty. Secondly, Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution grants Congress the power to establish an uniform rule of naturalization. This provision highlights the importance of regulating immigration and naturalization through uniform laws. By controlling the process by which individuals enter and become citizens, the government ensures that immigration occurs in a lawful, orderly manner. Illegal entry circumvents these legal frameworks, undermining the rule of law and the government's constitutional authority to regulate immigration. Moreover, the Constitution assigns the federal government the responsibility to repel invasions. Article 1, Section 8. While traditionally understood in the context of military threats, this clause can be interpreted to extend to the protection of borders from mass unlawful crossings. Such unauthorized entries could be seen as a form of invasion that threatens the nation's sovereignty and the rule of law. The 10th Amendment further supports this perspective by reserving powers not delegated to the federal government to the states or the people. Since the Constitution explicitly grants the federal government the authority to manage borders and immigration, it is the federal government's duty to exercise this power effectively. Failure to enforce border security could be seen as a neglect of this constitutional responsibility, thereby infringing on the states' and citizens' rights to a secure nation. In conclusion, from a traditional constitutional standpoint, the strong defense of national borders against illegal entrants is not only a matter of policy, but a constitutional mandate. The government's duty to provide for the common defense, regulate naturalization, and repel invasions underscores the importance of maintaining secure and well-regulated borders. Upholding these constitutional principles ensures the protection of national sovereignty, the rule of law, and the safety and well-being of the nation's citizens.